हरियाणा के सूरजकुंड में आज 39वें सूरजकुंड अंतर्राष्ट्रीय आत्मनिर्भर शिल्प मेला 2026 की शुरुआत हुई। लोकल टू ग्लोबल आत्मनिर्भर भारत की पहचान थीम पर आधारित इस मेले का उद्घाटन उपराष्ट्रपति सीपी राधाकृष्णन ने किया। इस मौके पर मुख्यमंत्री नायब सिंह सैनी भी मौजूद रहे। 31 जनवरी से 15 फरवरी तक चलने वाले इस अंतर्राष्ट्रीय मेले में 50 से ज्यादा देशों 700 से अधिक प्रतिभागियों की भागीदारी होगी। शिल्प, लोक कला, संस्कृति के उत्सव में इस बार भारत की विविधता के स्वाद रंग भी साफ नजर आएगा। उद्घाटन के बाद अपने संबोधन में उपराष्ट्रपति सीवी राधाकृष्णन ने कहा, सूरजकुंड शिल्प मेला दशकों से भारत की संस्कृति, आत्मा और सभ्यगत निरंतरता का प्रतीक है। उन्होंने कहा कि ये मेला वसुधैव कुटुंबकम के भारतीय दर्शन को साकार करता है, जहां पूरी दुनिया एक परिवार की तरह एक मंच पर आती है।
सेक्रेटरी टूरिज्म गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया कम चेयरमैन ऑफ एसकेएमए डॉक्टर श्रीवास्तवा कृष्णन जी, डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ पुलिस हरियाणा श्री अजय सिंघल जी, honorable MLAs and senior officials, and the first citizens of Faridabad, honorable mayor श्रीमती प्रवीण जोशी जी, भाई बहनों सबको नमस्कार। With more than 32 countries participating this year, this fair is true embodiment of timeless Indian philosophy of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The whole world is one family, bringing together the nations, cultures and the crafts under one shared roof. That is our Mela today. It brings together the hands that create. It brings together that minds that innovative, and it brings together the traditions that define many countries. For nearly 4 decades, this Mela has been providing a global platform to our artisans, weavers, sculptors, painters, and folk performers, many of whom carry forward skills passed down through generations. It is the training given by our elders that is continuing even today. We have seen the cultural festival representing the whole country. Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat, that is what we have seen today, a wonderful performance by the youngsters. The focus this year is on Atmanirbhar Bharat adds deeper meaning to this event. Our artisans are the custodians of centuries-old knowledge, and empowering them is essential to build the strong, inclusive and sustainable economy. Under the visionary leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Shriman Narendra Modi ji, India's ritual cultural heritage and the traditional handicrafts sector have over the last decade been placed at the heart of our national renaissance. This transformative initiative, like the Pradhan Mantri Vishwakarma Kaushal Samman Yojana, are providing end-to-end support, skill development and economic empowerment to our artisans and craftspeople, strengthening the very ecosystem that sustains our old age crafts and artisanal traditions. I am also happy to note that the theme states for this year's fair are Uttar Pradesh and Meghalaya, two states that represent the remarkable diversity and our great unity of India. Uttar Pradesh, the heartland of Bharat, is a cradle of ancient civilization and artistic mastery. From the unique Jardoji of Lucknow, the world-renowned Banarasi silk, the brassware of Moradabad, and the blue pottery of Agra, to the delicate Chichinkari embroidery, Uttar Pradesh showcases a legacy where craftsmanship meets refined mind. These traditions are just crafts, and we never think it is just a crafts. They are the stories woven in silk, etched in metal, and integrated with the history of this great nation.